My name's Matt Leager, Executive Vice President for NorthWind Technical Services. We're a controls and automation solution provider based out of Sabetha, Kansas. We also have offices in Lenexa, Kansas, and in San Jose, Costa Rica. But we provide automation solutions to primarily North and South America, but all over the world. Our main industries that we work in are pet food, food and beverage, and plastics industry, but we also have experience in milling and ag and aggregates and a couple of other places as well. We think what differentiates us is number one, our process expertise in our main three industries. We pride ourselves on being process experts in their business. Also, we have an automated development process where we link our drawings, our programming, and even our panel building into an automated process that makes us really efficient and fast at what we do. So that includes like panel cutting and wiring machines in our shop. And then our software development team sets us apart. We hope that we can be all things automation. So whether it's controlling the equipment or tying it into other pieces of software, any custom thing that you need, we can do. So I think one of the biggest impacts that we have is in our fully dedicated service team. So those folks can provide 24/7 support, which a lot of our customers are needing more of because they don't have as much in-house. And also we have a pretty robust training program, in-house training program that supports our customers' training needs as well. In the end, our process expertise, again, in those key industries that we serve, is where they get the biggest bang from NorthWind though, because oftentimes we know as much or more about their process than they do. For a long time, we've had a strong relationship with Rockwell, really since the beginning of NorthWind, and with their distribution network and the vendors that support us. We think that's really a huge benefit to our customers because NorthWind's able to stay on the leading edge of technology, and the amount of resources that we have access to through both the vendor network and through our Rockwell contacts directly allow us to solve any problem that our customers can throw at us.